What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to Dopetop, your go-to channel for everything tech. Today, we're diving into the world of PC cases, and I've got a killer lineup for you. Whether you're all about airflow, customization, or just making your rig look like a work of art, we've got something here for everyone. Let's get into the top 5 best PC cases that will take your gaming setup to the next level. Stick around till the end for a case that's a beast of a build. Let's jump right in. Alright, kicking off this list at number 5 is the Lian Lancool 205 Mesh. Now listen, this case is like your nerdy friend who's quietly the smartest person in the room. It's not flashy, it's not over the top, but it just works perfectly. Let me tell you why. This mesh front panel, it's like a giant air conditioner for your rig. You can stuff up to 6 fans in this case, and trust me, you'll feel like your PC is chilling on a tropical beach while you're throwing every AAA title at it. And it's not just about airflow, this thing has some clean cable management options that even Marie Kondo would approve of. It's minimalist, functional, and it's got tempered glass so you can show off your RGB bling, or, you know, that messy bird's nest of cables you keep meaning to clean up. Don't worry, we've all been there. But seriously, if you're looking for solid cooling without breaking the bank, the Lancool 205 Mesh is the way to go. Coming in at number 4, we've got the NZXT H5 Flow Compact ATX. And let me tell you, this case is all about that airflow life, hence the name. But NZXT didn't just slap flow on it for fun. This baby's got a design that makes sure your PC is breathing better than a Zen yoga instructor. The front panel? Perforated for maximum airflow, and there's even a dedicated downward-facing fan to keep your GPU from turning into a toaster. It's like the case itself is whispering, "I got you, fam. I'll keep you cool." This case is compact but powerful, giving you tons of room for customization without feeling like you're stuffing components into a sardine can. It supports full-sized ATX motherboards and has stellar cable management options, so your build looks as good as it runs. If you're into making sleek, powerful builds with great cooling, the NZXT H5 Flow is a no-brainer. And honestly, it looks so good, you'll probably spend more time looking at your PC than actually playing games on it. Alright, number 3 is for those of you who just want your PC to shut up while you're gaming or editing. It's the Be Quiet Silent Bass 802, and this thing is basically a noise-canceling cocoon for your rig. Imagine playing a game and the only sound you hear is your enemies screaming, "Where did that headshot come from?" Because your PC is quieter than a ninja on mute. This case comes with sound-dampening foam everywhere. But here's the kicker, it's got interchangeable front panels. Need more airflow? Boom slap on the mesh front. Want to keep things quiet for movie night? Pop on the solid panel. It's like having 2 cases in one, depending on your mood. Who knew PC cases could have alter egos? The airflow is excellent too, so even though it's designed for silence, you won't be cooking your GPU in there. If you like peace, quiet, and control, this is your case. Now, if you're looking to build a rig that's more of a flex than anything else, then coming in hot at number 2, we've got the Lian PC011 Dynamic. This is the case you show off at parties. Like, people should pay to see this. This case is like a museum for your PC parts. It's got dual chambers, so all the ugly stuff like cables and storage gets hidden in the back. Meanwhile, the front is just a big old showcase for all your RGB, your water cooling setup, your cat, whatever. You've got room for up to 3 radiators in this case, and I've seen some wild builds in here. It's like the Mona Lisa of PC cases, except, you know, with more fans. The tempered glass panels on the front and sides mean your build is on display from every angle, so make sure you don't skimp on those aesthetics. Seriously, people are going to be so distracted by how good your case looks. They won't even care that you just spent 45 minutes tweaking your RGB settings. And finally, our number 1 case is the Goliath, the Titan, the absolute unit of PC cases, the Corsair Obsidian 1000D. This thing is so big it should have its own parking spot. This is not just a PC case, folks. This is a command center. We're talking room for 2 full systems. That's right, 2 builds in one case. You could stream, game, edit, and basically run your entire life from this one box. With space for up to 13 fans, multiple radiators, and an insane amount of storage, this case is ready for anything. Plus, it's made with premium materials, brushed aluminum, tempered glass, and enough RGB to light up a small town. Honestly, if I didn't have an actual home, I'd probably just live in this thing. It's got everything. If you're building the ultimate gaming or content creation rig, and you want a case that screams, "I've arrived," this is it. And that's a wrap, folks. The top 5 PC cases for airflow, customization, and all-around awesomeness. Which one are you eyeing for your next build? Drop it in the comments and let me know. I swear I'll get this cable management down someday. Don't forget to like this video, Subscribe to Dope Top if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the hottest tech drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.